students to rejuvenate their spirits, remain rooted to their moral values, and unleash their vitality. Today, we all are gathered here to conduct the first assembly of the session 2021-22 with a very positive note. Before starting the proceedings of today's assembly, I invite our Revered Principal Sir to come and light the lamp of wisdom. I request Ms. Shruti, Ms. Raki, and Ms. Nitika to come.
सबू सर आ जाओ प्लीज।
Hello. या कुंदेन्दु तुषार हार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना यही नाम है अधारा, यही नाम है सहारा, यही नाम है अधारा, यही नाम है सहारा। सतनाम श्री वाहेगुरु, सतनाम श्री वाहेगुरु, सतनाम श्री वाहेगुरु, सतनाम श्री वाहेगुरु। सतनाम श्री वाहेगुरु, सतनाम श्री वाहेगुरु, सतनाम श्री वाहेगुरु।
A very good morning and namaskar, sat sri akal to all. Uh, Today is a very special day for all of us as we are starting with the new academic session, that is session 21-22. Although the last complete year was online and this year also started on the same note. We are not having our children here with us in the school campus. Otherwise, this special assembly could have been altogether different. But nevertheless, as the situation is like this, we have to take care of ourselves first. So I think children are safe at home with the parents in the comfortable environment of the home. But we pray to Goddess Saraswati that let this dark period get over and let the fresh light where the normal life should revive again, that day should come very soon in the schools, because schools are without life. As you have, without children, the schools are almost empty. So, anyway, my best wishes for all the children. First of all, congratulations to all those who passed the previous classes and now you are upgraded. You all are in a class ahead of the last year. So children, understand one thing, like now the responsibilities are bigger on your shoulder as you are a class senior now. Many of you are now in board classes, especially 10th and 12th. And the current 10th and 12th is also there with us because they are to write their board examinations in the month of May. So responsibilities are big, challenges are really big for all of us. But when we all are together, we are sure we are going to win over any challenge coming on the way. So with these words, I again wish my blessings and best wishes to all the children. Please cope up with your teachers. Although everything is planned for the next session or for the coming session which has started yesterday, we are ready for any situation. Now we are starting on online mode, but we are waiting for the government orders, and I'm sure the orders will come very soon when they will allow at least few classes to come to school. So till 10th of April, the government has closed the schools for the children. But hopefully that day will come when they will allow few classes to come down to school and let the normal life begins once again in the school campuses. So we are ready for any situation. We are ready for this situation also when we are to start in this manner in online mode. All the classrooms have been created, the groups have been again reframed, all the in charges, class teachers, timetable, curriculum for this current year has already been designed. And children, please cope up. This time I expect from all of you to be attending the classes with 100% attendance. I could understand that last year, since that was the first experience of going virtual, and there were issues with most of the senior classes, what I could make out, that they were not very regular with the classes. And some of the children, they have realized later on when it was the time for the examinations, how difficult was it for them to appear in the examinations without having attended many classes online also. So this year is going to be a better year than last year, what I feel, because that experience has taught us so many things. And we are hopeful that children will be attending the classes in a regular mode. Every day there has to be 100% attendance of all the classes. And I will personally see to it that children should be attending the classes. The teachers will be marking their attendance in the registers now, because this time the classes will be conducted not from the homes of the teacher, it will be from the school. So children, we will be in a position to give you a view of the school also at the same time. Like how the classroom is there, how the teachers are taking the classes from the classroom in a real situation. Like, so I expect from parents also, the way you have supported us in the last year with online teaching, please keep supporting us for this year also, although it has started virtually again like the last year, but still we are hopeful that this time will very soon go away and we'll get back to normal life. So my best wishes to all the children, please go for your books, because no books have been changed as such, and books are available with the vendors outside. Go for the books, and every day now you have to sit with your books in the classrooms. No excuses like that, oh last year that I was not able to get the books. And we'll ensure that you should be doing the homeworks also, the assignments also in the way we have planned for. And I want the teacher should be checking these assignments also this time, because now since we are operating from the school, so we will definitely come up with a mechanism. We have already discussed this rather, and the work which is being assigned to the children can be checked also. Because this was recently in one of the parents meet where parents were worried that the children have not done anything in the notebooks also. They have taken it so lightly, knowing the fact that they are virtually on, so nobody is going to bother with the corrections and all. But this year, students, the situation is different. So please pull up your socks and gear up for the next session, the session which starts from today. And everything is planned. Month-wise plans will be shared with you in the groups, so that you are clear what way you have to go about in complete fortnight plans, in the monthly plans. Obviously this time we have brought a big change in the assessment pattern. That is on the CBSE lines. So everything will be communicated to you through your teachers also. Time and again, if you have any doubts, please contact your teachers. This time you should not be found wanting in any areas, right? So do take part wholeheartedly in everything we are doing for you. So with these words, I close my speech here, and that is the welcome speech. So once again, welcome all to the new session, academic session 21-22. So wishing you all best wishes. I'm looking forward for a great time. Let us hope for the best. हर रात की सुबह होती है, तो I think इस रात की भी सुबह होने वाली है बहुत जल्दी. Vaccination has started in a good sign. Today onwards, 45 and plus they all will be given vaccination. So it's a good move by the government. So those who are eligible for going for vaccination, please go for it. At the same time, children, the corona is still there, and the numbers are on rise. Every day, it's more than 400 cases been reported in Amritsar only. Punjab is again becoming, a state in news all the time with corona updates. The deaths are also increasing. It's really unfortunate. So we have to be very careful. Please follow the protocols. Take a good care of yourself. Do put on mask every time and sanitize your hands. You know the protocols. But thing is, we are not following it. So please make it a point to follow all these guidelines, first for yourself and then for others also, because you are responsible for others also. So it's very unfortunate, so many people across the world have lost their lives, and still the death rate is going in the same pace, almost. So I mourn for all those who have lost their lives due to corona. So everybody please stand, all the teachers, and we'll keep our morning for 2 minutes. Shanti. Please sit down. That's all. I think we all are set for the start of the new session. So all the best to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your great words. Rise up, start fresh. See the bright opportunity in each new day. Every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. We pray to start a day and finish it with prayers. We are grateful for all the blessings in life. Nothing could be started without remembering the Almighty, and no worship and love are greater than the Holy Scriptures. So I would like to invite Ms. Sunanda to help us communicate with God through the Holy Scriptures.
विद्यानां नरस्य रूपमधिकं प्रच्छन्न गुप्तं धनं विद्या भोगकरी यशः सुखकरी विद्या गुरुणां गुरुः विद्या बन्धुजनो विदेशगमने विद्यां परं दैवतं विद्या राजसु पूज्यते न हि धनं विद्याविहीनः पशुः। अर्थात विद्या व्यक्ति का विशिष्ट रूप है। विद्या गुप्त धन है, वह भोग देने वाली और सुखकारी है। विद्या गुरुओं की गुरु है, विदेश में विद्या बंधु है। विद्या बड़ी देवता है, राजाओं में विद्या की पूजा होती है। विद्या विहीन व्यक्ति पशु ही हैं। विद्या ददाति विनयम विनयाद याति पात्रताम पात्रत्वात् धर्मा प्राप्नोति धनात् धर्मम ततः सुखम। अर्थात विद्या विनय देती है, अर्थात विद्या से विनय प्राप्त होता है। विनय अथवा विनयशीलता से हमें पात्रता अर्थात लक्ष्य को प्राप्त करने की योग्यता प्राप्त होती है। पात्रता से धन प्राप्त होता है और धन से धर्म और सुख की प्राप्ति होती है। धन की प्राप्ति के लिए पात्र अर्थात विनयशील होना अति आवश्यक है। विनयशील होना ही धन प्राप्ति की पात्रता है और विनयशील होने के लिए मनुष्य का विद्यावान होना अति आवश्यक है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Sunanda ma'am, for enlightening us. A small positive thought can change our whole day. So let us be very serious in shaping our thoughts with positive attitude. I will now ask my colleague Ms. Geeta Malik to share with us all today's thought of the day.
Good morning, everyone. Thought of the day is celebrate endings. For day precede new beginnings. No matter how hard the past is, there is always a chance to start again. Every day is a chance to start again. Don't focus on the failures of yesterday. Start today with positive thoughts and expectations. Thank you.
To know what is happening around in the world should be our priority and duty. To enlighten us about the current happening, I would like to invite Ms. Dipti.
Good morning, everyone. Some national news. From today onwards, India has expanded its vaccination drive. Now, all above 45 years of age, they are eligible for the vaccination. Otherwise, till now, only those who are above 60 years, the comorbidities could get vaccinated. Union Minister Prakash Javadekar shared the information and urged all those who are eligible to get the registered and vaccinated. He highlighted that vaccination is only the shield against COVID-19. DGCA declares air crew medically unfit for flying for 48 hours after COVID-19 vaccination. Under the guidelines, DGCA said that air crew will be monitored for 30 minutes at vaccination centers for any anaphylactic or idiosyncratic reactions. Justice N.V. Ramana to take charge as 48th
Chief Justice of India on April 24, 2021, the day after the superannuation of the current CGI, S.A. Bodway. The current Chief Justice has recommended Justice Ramana's name as the next CGI in the letter to the central government. Further, some international headlines. Norway is planning to construct the world's first ship tunnel underneath the mountains in the country's Stedway Peninsula. The project is expanded to start in 2022 and will be completed by 2025-26. Samia Suluhu Hassan has become the first female president of Tanzania. She took over the role after the death of President John Magufuli. Hassan was previously serving as the Vice President of East African country since 2015. Prime Minister Narendra Modi handed the Gandhi Peace Prize 2020 to Sheikh Mujibur Rahman's younger daughter Sheikh Rihanna on March 26, 2021. The award aims to recognize Sheikh Mujibur Rahman's contribution to the liberation of Bangladesh. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is popularly known as the founder of Bangladesh and the father of the nation. Thank you, and we wish you a very wonderful year ahead.
Everything sounds soothing when given the form of a poem. Here, Ms. Rajwinder is present to recite a motivational poem. Yeah.
Good morning, one and all. Now I am going to share a very beautiful poem on this auspicious occasion to have a good start for this coming session. And the title of my poem is It's Time. Yes, it's time to wake up. It's time to wake up and let our students remember to get out of bed and get dressed before logging on to class. It's time to let our students keep introducing us to their words and ideas, though we are 6 feet or miles away. It's time to plan and improvise, to live an altered life that is still full of meaning, to keep learning and dreaming. It's time to continue this experiment together with every precaution possible, born of commitment, curiosity, and love. It's time to welcome back. Yes, my dear, it's time to welcome back for a new change, and let's be a part of it every day. And let's be a part of it every day. Thank you.
Thanks, ma'am, for such a beautiful poetry. I invite Ms. Rakhi Puri to express vote of thanks.
A very warm welcome and a very beautiful morning to our distinguished principal sir, respected teachers, and my dear lovely students. I wholeheartedly welcome all of you to the portals of DPS in the academic session 2021-22. First of all, I would like to congratulate my dear students on your success. Success because you have first time attempted online assessments and you have cleared your grades with flying colors. That is very good. Thank you so much for helping us out. Thank you so much for indulging yourself so nicely in online classes, and we expect a lot from you this year too. My sincere thanks to all the parents, especially mothers. They have given a lot of time to their students. They have children actually, and they are actually the partners in the progress. My sincere thanks to all the parents for helping us out in every bit and sections. Thank you, all the parents. Now students, let me just tell you, we should always be very, very thankful to Almighty, because Almighty has given human beings so much power, immense power I could say, lots of talent, lots of skills, so that we can achieve anything what we desire for. So on this day, I would just ask you to just keep your hopes and dreams very, very high. If we will achieve when we will dream high. The only limitation of a human being is that is our imagination. If you will imagine yourself to be on the top of the world, definitely you will be on the top of the world because you have been bestowed with such powers. So my sincere thanks to the colleagues. They have done wonderful job in the session 2020 and we request you to gear up yourself for the coming session because we have to go hand in hand. So thank you, sir. Thank you all the teachers. Thank you all the HODs and the team DPS. Wonderful job. May God bless you with very good health, very good financial year 21-22 and lots of happiness in the coming session. Thank you so much. Now I request everyone. Yes, I actually thank from the bottom of my heart to the managing committee member Mr. Akash Khandelwal, Mr. Ajay Maheshwari and Mr. Ved Khurana for their continuous support. They have done so much for us and we really assure you that we will be doing the way you will be guiding us and definitely all are right and first foot forward for everything you expect from us. Thank you so much, all the DPS team. Thanks a lot.